when we looked at the current marketplace, the ways that people were trying to recruit, other companies were doing, there wasn't really a value proposition that was very clear. There was a lot of very cold language. It wasn't designed for healthcare literacy. There was not a very clear value proposition. And so a lot of times you would get to a page and it would say, they want you to share your personal capital, your name, your email, your phone number, and then we'll tell you if you might be a candidate. And we know that that really creates a barrier, an access barrier for patients to be able to participate. And so we looked at it from a different way of, can we give somebody a little bit of information about how this might help them? Can we give them a tool to self-qualify and see if they're a candidate? And then only then, if they believe in what they've done, can we give them a way to opt in if they want to, and if they want to receive more information, which is when they get connected with our rapid response clinical contact center. So that's a lot different. Now I know what I'm spending my personal capital on because I've just gone through 20 questions about a clinical trial, and I've understood what the commitment would be to participate in terms of follow-up and that type of thing. And it's been a game changer for us. Healthcare or health literacy is not a one-way street. It is not just talking about the patients, it's about the physicians themselves. And too often what we found in my own experience prior to 83 Bar, physicians are really busy and sometimes they forget to shift gears and speak in a non-clinical manner that's patient friendly, that people can understand, where am I in a clinical pathway? What would the next steps be? And so if you compress time and you don't take that time to try and answer those questions in a way people can understand, you really have a miss. And so our whole clinical contact center is designed around slowing down that conversation. And as you said, it's about listening. And so when we've got a participant prospect that's come through and answered all these questions, our nurse that's on the line, their whole goal is to be able to ask that participant, that prospect, why did you take the survey? And tell me about this question and why you answered it this way. It's really the patient talking about their journey and us listening so that we can understand their needs and really try and help them before we give them a clinical education. Because every patient's on a different journey, whether you're recruiting them for a trial or for a commercial campaign. And if we don't understand the individual, we really can't tailor the pathway appropriately to them. And that has been the game changer for us. It's getting the right patient to the right place at the right time.